Distance versus displacement. What's the difference? Imagine you are standing at point A and you decide to walk all the way to point B to explore the area. Now, if we ask how much total path you actually traveled, we are talking about something called distance. Distance is the total length of the actual path you took. It only cares about the magnitude, not the direction. But what if we ask how far you are from your starting point in a straight line? That is called displacement. For example, if you walk 5 meters forward and then 3 meters backward, your total distance is 8 meters. However, your displacement is only 2 meters forward because that is where you finally ended up from the start. Speed versus velocity. What is the difference? Imagine two students racing on a track. They both cover the same distance, but one reaches the finish line much faster than the other. This is where we learn about speed. Speed is simply the total distance traveled by an object divided by the time it takes. Speed is a scalar quantity, meaning it only has magnitude. For example, a car traveling 100 meters in 10 seconds has a speed of 10 meters per second. Now, let's talk about velocity. Velocity is different because it is the displacement of an object per unit time in a specific direction. Unlike speed, velocity is a vector quantity. This means it must have both a magnitude and a clear direction to be complete. For example, if a student moves 50 meters specifically toward the east in 10 seconds, that is their velocity. Now you know the difference.